guys, what's up? So today we are going to be unboxing this month's premium Boxycharm box. So let's jump into it. Little disclaimer, Boxycharm did send me this box to try. All right, so opening up the premium box, just like the base box, this month is Game Changer, and it's celebrating Game Changers and Boss Babes in honor of Women's History Month. So that means that this whole box is full of products from women owners. All right, so the first product in this month's premium Boxycharm box is this Keys Soul Care Skin Transformation Cream. And this is a fragrance-free, moisturizing and hydrating face cream that's really going to leave the skin plumped and radiant. Here is what it looks like. Love the sleek packaging, and it is not a very overly thick cream. This has bakuchiol, malachite, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid, and it is cruelty-free. The Keys Soul Care Skin Transformation Cream retails for $30. Next in this month's premium box, we have the Aether Beauty Big Bang Mascara. And this is a vegan and cruelty-free product. And I love the kind of holographic packaging. And I have this on today. On the product card, it says that this is black diamond infused and really gonna give your lashes that volume, curl, and length. The Aether Beauty, the Big Bang Mascara, retails for $28. Next in the box, we have the new company, The Pill All-in-One Serum. And this is designed to remove dead skin cells, increase cell rejuvenation, hydrate, and so much more. The new company, The Pill All-in-One Serum, retails for $85. Next, we have the Sisley London Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. And this primer is going to give your skin a glass-like appearance. It's got vitamin C, dragon fruit extract, rehydrating hyaluronic acid, moisture-boosting yuzu extract, and vitamin E. This primer is cruelty-free and vegan as well. The Sisley London Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer retails for $32. Next, we have the Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel. And this has invigorating black pepper, warming ginger, and detoxifying rosemary to really help soothe and recover sore muscles. You guys, I just started back to work. I'm a mom of two, and I'm also in a band. So anytime we gig or anytime I come home from work, I feel like I've been hit by a truck. So I know that this is gonna help me out a ton. The Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel retails for $40. Last but not least, in this month's premium Boxycharm box, we have the Grace and Stella Everything is Better in Pink eye masks. And inside this box are 12 eye masks. They boost collagen and have so many good for you ingredients that are going to hydrate and moisturize your skin. These are also going to improve the skin's texture and firmness. The Grace and Stella Everything is Better in Pink eye masks retail for $24. Well, that is it for all the products in this month's Boxycharm premium box. You guys, Boxycharm is such a great way to find out about brands or products that you might not have known about before, and such a great way to get goodies delivered to your front door every single month. Plus, Charmers get exclusive offers and the best deals. I just want to say a big thank you to Boxycharm for sending me this box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.